Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Spectrum TV application on a TCL Google TV in 2026. Now, if you want to watch the live TV, the on-demand content and DVR without a cable box, this is one of the easiest way to do it. So first of all, you just have to turn on your TCL Google TV and make sure that it is connected to Wi-Fi. After that, on your remote, you just have to simply press the home button, and this is going to open this type of main section or main area in front of you. Now, among the applications, you just have to look for the Google Play Store. So after tapping on the option of Google Play Store, it is going to look something like this. So here in the search bar, you just have to simply use the keyboard, and then you just have to look for Spectrum TV application. When you are able to find the Spectrum TV application in the list, simply tap on it. Once you do this, you will be landed on the Spectrum TV page. Here you will see this install button. So when you tap on the option of install button, simply wait for 30 to 60 seconds until the download and the installation completes. So when the installation finishes, you just have to open your Spectrum TV application. It will ask you to first of all sign in into it. So you need to provide your login credentials like your username and password associated with your Spectrum account. And this way you will be able to basically get access to all of the channels, all of the live TV channels, on-demand shows and cloud DVR recordings. So this is how you can do it very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.